Reliance Nippon Life Insurance, Walk Pe Chal Mission Moon, powered by Fraternity on such an amazing initiative. I think it's fantastic. Anybody who knows me, anybody even who remotely knows me, resonates with me when it comes to life insurance. And I think a fit life, not just mind and body, I think it really allows you to achieve so much more in life. It gives you that impetus to be better, to achieve more. And I think that purely comes from a fit mind and body. I mean, everything, you may have all of it in life. I mean, by the grace of God, you may have everything, but I think if you don't have a fit mind and body, everything else pales in comparison. So it starts there. I think that's the fundamental basis to start anything or do anything. So really, I think this is a fantastic initiative. I feel proud and happy that I can be part of it here with you all today.
Let's give a big round of applause to Malaika. I think you've been one cheat day.
What is
right?
a cheat day without? I mean, what is the point of doing all of this if you don't have that cheat day? You got to give yourself, you got to give your body that. That's why you smile and that's why you glow.
Right. The glow. That's the glow, guys, we're talking about. The cheat day gets you the glow.
Absolutely.
So, okay, now that we're here, why don't we actually have like a round of very simple questions to both of you to sort of just understand how committed to, how both of you are towards fitness. Yeah. So next question I'm going to ask you, Ashish. I want to know, this is such a unique idea, going to the moon and coming back, taking those 100 crore steps. How did that come about? And was it your brainchild? No, but how did that come about?
So this wasn't the naming was not my brainchild. It was some other women in the team. And when I asked them the same question, they told me that Mission Moon is important to us because आप लोगों को जिंदगी में कभी ना कभी इश्क हुआ होगा उस वक्त आपने चांद को देख करके कुछ चीजें कही होंगी so we want you to fall in love with this whole mission and the whole fitness as much as you fell in love with the moon and the
whole idea of being
the whole idea of
I totally love this romantic approach to fitness.
But trust women to come up with something like that, right? They always add that little tadka of love into it.
It was definitely women in my company. They said this to me. This wasn't my idea at all.
Okay. Let's give it to all the ladies in the house. Come on. Malaika, next one is to you. Now, you've, of course, aced fitness in different levels, but what is really your fitness mantra and what kind of workouts do you really enjoy? And, personally, how are you going to contribute to this campaign?
I think everybody's idea of fitness may vary. Everybody has a different approach towards fitness. And in today's day and age, there's so much available in terms of whether you hit the gym, whether you do yoga, whether you Zumba. There's so much available to you. But nothing compares to walking. And I say that with a lot of authority because I think, you don't need a gym. You don't need a dedicated space. You can walk anywhere and everywhere. It's free. That's what it is. It is free. We
love free.
And who doesn't like anything free, right? So I think that in itself is a great initiative. I mean, to know that you're not bound by a particular place or particular person or bound by, say, an amount of money or whatever it may be. Walk, I think it's brilliant. It's great for your self-esteem. It's great for your day-to-day existence. So I think for me that it begins over there. And you don't need a particular time. You choose any time of the day, any time. Whenever it's convenient, just go out. Like you said, everybody needs a little break. I know a lot of my my friends from the press, I see them day in and day out of my life in my workspace. They're always on their toes. They're always running from pillar to post, covering this event, covering us, coming out of various places. They're always. So, I mean, honestly, if you see, you had said earlier that, it's not easy. Their lives are very hectic. I'm sure these guys must be clocking a lot of steps just by what they're doing day in and day out. So great job. You'll do a very good job every day. Continue doing that, guys. So, and all the very best.
And while you're saying this, while you guys to win amazing prize, we've got rewards. So after you clock 50,000 steps, There are amazing rewards, lot of free merchandise. Of course, it's all fitness related. You get a lot of free classes here, there. There's a tie-up with over 10,000 gyms across India. So it's not just limited to Bombay. It's not just limited to a city or a state. It's across India.
Doing your Walk Pay Chal Mission Moon campaign and the initiative to share some of your stories on social media,
Absolutely.
because I think one story will inspire somebody else and that story inspires somebody else. So that is a chain reaction by itself. So
Absolutely.
please share your stories. It really inspires each one of us.
Yes, hashtag walk pe chal. बहुत simple है. Again, Ashish, the same question to you. What is your fitness mantra? And of course, you've already seen you've contributed 70,000 steps. But what's your goal? What are you seeking to achieve?
So I'm a late entrant into this game. Some lucky people like Malaika have been on this ever since they can remember. That's what she told us off stage, that she's been sort of born with this motivation. So I haven't been as lucky in life. So some of this is a little more recent for me. So I'm able to clock about 12,000 steps a day for the last few
Wow.
months. And that's the...
Wow.
Yeah, you can clap for me.
Please, come
thank
on.
You, thank you.
Big round of applause. And I'm sure you do take steps instead of the elevators if you're given a choice.
Well,
I would urge you to. I would urge you to do
Gotcha.
that. Yeah.
well, but my goal is that in this month, I am gonna do 300,000 steps. 3 lakh steps is my goal for the that's my contribution to Walk Pechel and Mission Moon.
And while we're at it, is anybody who's, from Reliance who's going to challenge him? 3 lakh steps?
3 lakh steps.
3 lakh steps?
Come on, guys.
Two
Come on,
challengers.
Lane. You can do
Come
that.
on, all of you can
course.
challenge him.
Yeah.
I'm telling you, a challenge is always great.
Yeah. Brownie points from him, plus I think a bonus.
Yes. Anybody who exceeds mine gets more bonus. Okay.
Lovely. There you go. There you go. All right, so Malaika, a very quick question to you. You already said that earlier, but everyone in this room wants to know, you are this glam diva, but how is it that your skin, that you glow day in and day out? What do you do to maintain that glow every day, of the month, week?
Knowing I have Reliance Nippon Life Insurance by my side.
And if you don't mind, I can have a take on that as well.
That cover I need, right? You need that so I can sleep well at night, and that makes me wake up feeling better. But on a serious note as well. But you were sharing some wonderful numbers with me about a policy that you were talking about, which I think I'm going to talk about very, very briefly. I may not know too much, but it's the cancer cover policy that you were mentioning. And we all know in today's day and age the perils of cancer and how women are far more susceptible to the disease. So you were telling me about it, and I think I would urge women, and I would urge every family to take this cancer cover, because I think it's something that will definitely benefit in the long run. And like you said, there is a sense of protection. There is a sense of feeling that there is somebody taking care about your well-being, feeling secure, feeling protected. So I would urge everybody to have a look at that. I will be at the end of this chat and today's session. I will be doing it because I just got to know about it, and I think it's fantastic. So yes, that's what helps me sleep well and get a glow.
There you go.
So wonderful. But I also always tell people that being fit is not about losing weight, about dieting, about skipping meals. It's not. That's not what fitness is all about. Fitness is a state of mind. Fitness it's a very personal journey. So don't let losing weight, I think that is a byproduct. A size is a byproduct of being fit, and that will happen eventually if you are rather determined about it. But I think just being fit, that is the most important. So
Absolutely.
embark upon the Walk Pe Chal.
Very well said. Potential, right?
Very good.
Alternate career option.
Job
always
milega,
open.
job milega.
Very, very impressed.
Extra shots, extra shots.
Very, very
All right.
impressive.
You guys ace this Jugalbandi session. silence, please. Thank you.
Like I had said, I think the purpose of our choosing wellness is that while we are in the business of protecting life, एक life insurance company का धर्म होता है protection, लेकिन हमारा धर्म prolonging life भी है, right? There used to be a time when there was a lot of emphasis to say doctors used to diagnose, right? It used to be about treatment. Then life went towards preventing disease. And then life's now gone towards wellness to say how do you avoid, how do you permanently live well. And therefore, that is the theme we are trying to adopt as a life insurance company, that besides protection, it's also prolonging life. And that's the reason we took this message of wellness. Mission Moon, like I was saying, it sort of coincided to say that love the mission as much as you would have loved the moon someday in your life, and therefore 100 crore steps to the moon and back. It is just a number, it's just a phrase that we thought everybody would associate with. The whole public should associate with that phrase and therefore join this mission towards the moon.
Malaika, you've given a stop to your age, I feel, and you're like going on a reverse.
We all agree with
You're
that.
looking, see, there are lots of exercises, way of exercise, and lots of forms of exercises. What is that you follow, and what is the message to the youth? In fact,
Well, I follow a combination of exercises, various exercises that I've been introduced to and that I like doing. But there are a few, for example, like walking is something which is part of my daily life. Daily, there's not a single day where I do not incorporate walking in my routine. Yoga is something I swear by. I think the benefits of yoga I don't need to start telling you because everybody knows the benefits of yoga. So that is something I do as well. And I think whatever you feel, whatever आपको suit होता है, whatever आपको अच्छा लगे, आपको वही करना चाहिए. Because if you enjoy swimming, then you should do that. If you enjoy going to the gym and lifting weights, you should do that, functional training. As long as it is something that motivates you. And I genuinely think whatever time you give to fitness, it could be 1 hour, half an hour, 45 minutes, 2 hours, whatever. That time is your time. It's your personal time. You should make the most of that time and be dedicated to that time. So you pick that time and use it for yourself, because I think just giving yourself that little me time in a day, I think goes very long in life. That's what I think.
Yeah. All right, moving on to the next question. दूसरा question किसके पास है? Please raise your hand and the mic will follow.
I think we spoke so much and gave so much information.
Everything.
Yeah, true.
Come on, our friends from the media have to have questions. You guys want to know everything about everything. So come on, let's have one more question before we close the session.
love is in the air, like we can say, and love also helps a lot. Like in health-wise, the way you think. What
You
I have
just
to
said
say,
the moon. If you have to, there's no better gesture of showing love than saying, मैं आपको चांद सितारे आपको लेके आऊँ, तोड़ के लेके आऊँगा. So there's no better way of expressing it. So that's also why he said that's where the concept I think originated. So walk to the moon and back. So I think that's wonderful. Yes, you should be able to do that for your loved one, right?
But
Absolutely.
Walk to the moon and back.
Absolutely.
The other way is like हथेली पे चांद दिखा रही, that has a different meaning also.
Okay, I
Okay,
don't
no.
know what that
भाई
means.
देखो
But
अगली वाली बनाएंगे तो उस तरह का बनाते हैं कि हाथ पे चांद वाला कुछ.
नहीं हथेली पे चांद दिखाना में like the marketing strategy, I don't know, like
Okay.
you have to show something else, you give something else.
Okay, moving on.
Something
Moving
like
on
that.
to our next question. Do we have a question back? Okay, we've got a lady here on the front row. Can we please pass her a mic? Sir, यहाँ पे front row में.
it's hot in this room.
हाय दिस इज़ तान्या. मेरा क्वेश्चन आप दोनों से ही है कि जो लोग इतना बिजी शेड्यूल होने के कारण अब समय मैनेज नहीं कर पाते हैं, तो फिर उनके लिए ये कैंपेन किस तरह से हेल्प करेगा?
आई थिंक ये बहुत ही अच्छा कैंपेन है. आई थिंक जी हाँ, बहुत लोग यहाँ पे जो ऑफिसेज में काम करते हैं, जैसे हमने कहा, दे लीड अ वेरी सिडेंट्री लाइफ. वक्त नहीं मिलता कोई एक्सरसाइज करने के लिए. लेकिन जब मैं ये बिल्डिंग के अंदर आई, इस वंडरफुल ऑफिस स्पेस में आई थी, मैंने एक जिम देखा वहाँ पे, एंड आई वाज सो इम्प्रेस्ड. आई मीन, आई थिंक मेरा चेहरा एकदम खिल गया because I said, wow, you have a gym over here. It's so amazing because I think it's such a wonderful initiative, or it's a wonderful push in the right direction from the company, from the people who believe in a certain way of life. Who obviously they have the belief that healthy and fit employees will definitely produce better productivity. That is what it is. So I'm really happy to see that. I've seen that in a couple of other, institutions as well, and I think that's really wonderful. This campaign Walk Pe Chal is very simple. आपको बस walk ही करना है. It's not difficult. You don't need anything. You don't need equipment. You don't need a designated space. You don't. We are just trying to motivate you to do something good for yourself, for your personal self. So I think just try it. Start by doing a few steps. जैसे हम कहते हैं कि baby steps लो, and make every step count. That's how it should be until you reach your desired goal. So start it, and I can assure you, you will feel so much better. So I would urge everybody, not just you, not just the employees. I would urge the employees to urge your friends, your family, your near and dear ones to do the same and be part of this wonderful opportunity, and get onto the Fiternity app and actually track your progress. It's very good.
Absolutely. And post the progress. I think the more we see, and we see the updates from people on social media, the more inspired we get. So constantly keep using hashtag #WalkPeChal and tell us how many steps you've covered in a day. Sir's achieved.
My answer?
Yes.
My answer to that is, I think every day has got 24 hours. When you say you don't have time for something, or you're too busy doing something else, you're actually prioritizing something else over what is important.
Absolutely.
And our purpose of this campaign is to bring this very important issue to life. To say, hey, it's a great idea to dedicate 1 hour of your 24 hours on this very important issue. Some of us may not think it is urgent,
Right.
but it's important.
Absolutely.
And therefore, we are trying to make it easy. We are trying to spread awareness. We are trying to make it easy. Just get onto the app, download hashtag #WalkPeChal and begin. Challenge each other. And who knows, you might, get liberated like I did several months ago to say,
Absolutely.
hey, this is an important agenda to follow. Therefore, just try it. Just join the campaign. Begin with it. And who knows, you might end up being much fitter than you are today.
Absolutely. I love the idea of how you said, let's challenge each other. Let's set a goal.
I think to promote this wonderful challenge that they brought about, I'm here to lend my support, and obviously it is something that I feel very closely, and I think whatever I am involved with in my life, I always feel a certain connect. If I don't feel a connect, if I don't feel it's something that I can truly contribute to, then I think it's just wasted time and effort. I'm here because I think I can truly contribute to a cause like this.
Any more questions? Okay.
Done?
So on that note, we'll close this Q&A. नहीं है यार, क्वेश्चन नहीं है, जबरदस्ती क्यों पूछवा रहे हो उनसे? All right, so we'll close the session. I'll request Ola, because we've got a lady at the back. I think we should.
Well, I think, like you said, a lot has happened today. It's been a rather overwhelming day of sorts, and I'm also following it. I think, जैसे आपने कहा कि I'm still processing it, but in due course of time, I think we shall all have opinions about it. But today, let's just talk about Walk Pe Chal Mission Moon.
Absolutely. All right, thank you, ladies and gentlemen, on that.
Pe Chal Mission Moon campaign,
Join the campaign.
and join it, and you can track your steps, how many steps that you've taken, and what we want and what we're looking for is 100 crore steps in a matter of 30 days, in a matter of 1 month, and to see the maximum number that you can actually achieve would be wonderful, because it really has a wonderful cause attached to it. For every 3,500 steps that you do, Reliance will be donating 1 rupee to a very good cause, a mother-child cause, to make sure that there's nutrition for mother-child, and I think it's a wonderful initiative in partnership with this NGO. So go for it, do it. be part of it, join it, share your stories, share your every move, every step that you do on social media, so that we can build this community and make it larger.
Last question.